Say hello, guys.
Hello guys, we are doing a overnight challenge, sleeping overnight in a back of a pickup truck. We have a bed like shelf thingy. I know the lighting is fucking horrible, guys. We're gonna watch some movies on our Chromebooks and stuff like that. But yeah, I know it sucks being in here. Literally, this is our light source. We don't have any other lightness, thingy stuff. Oh crap! I pulled it down. Dang it! The tape stuck.
It's okay.
This was all made by me, and yeah,
Hey.
we have some food and stuff, drinks. We have an air, and all we're doing right now.
Trying to look for a movie.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do. So, we forgot to introduce ourselves.
Yeah, we're new.
We're
new.
Our names are Little Big and Big Big. No,
big.
no, we're just playing around like that. No, we're not brothers. We're just friends. So we're like the big friends. I don't know. We'll think of our names in our other videos, but for right now, the wind is fucking hollering tonight. It's messing with our things. Do you see that, guys? This is our air chamber.
No, that's just for if it rains. Basically.
Yeah, it's pretty much for if it rains or something. So, guys, we will catch y'all in the morning. Peace, brothers.
Adios.